In this video, I will show you how to add products to collection in Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, click on this products right here. First thing you need to do is make sure that you have product. Next thing you need to do is click on this collection and make sure that you have an active collection. So for example, I want to add a product to this homepage collection of mine. So I'll just click on this particular collection. And then once I have done that, this will load this edit option. Now let's scroll down and you can see this option for browse, or you can also just type in here the name of the product. So for example, let's type in here hat, and you can see this hat right here. So click on this check and click on done, and as you can see, they will be added in here. If you click on this browse right here, it will show you all the products you have, and then you can just choose the products you want to add right here and click on done. Now as you can see, they have been updated. So when you go back right here on your collections, you can see that we have now 3 products on our homepage collection. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.